Okay students, now we are going to study the next topic, that is the pattern of density of population in the world. Now what is the pattern, what is the distribution of the population in the world that we are going to study? The first point is the distribution of population is uneven throughout the world. The meaning of this sentence is what? Throughout the world, the population is not distributed equally. Means at some places the area is highly populated, at some places the area is less populated, and in some place the area is moderate populated. So the total distribution throughout the world is uneven. The second point is 2/3 of the world population occupies only 7% of the land surface. So only 7% of the land surface is occupied by 2/3 of the world population. The next is more than 50% of the world population is concentrated in the Asia. Now Asia is a continent where more than 50%, that is the half of the population of the total world, exist in the place where? In Asia. Now China is the highest populated country. As you all know, China is the first in population and it is the highest populated country, which is later on followed by India. Both these countries have crossed 1 billion of population mark. Okay, they have crossed 1 billion of population mark. Next point is old civilization areas are the most populated areas. As you all know, the old civilization areas, the Harappa civilization, so all these civilization areas, they were basically created where the soil was fertile, where the agriculture was possible, where the water was available. So at such places the civilization was created. So because of that, these civilizations were populated at that time also, and they are still populated in the present situation also. Now the next point is majority of the people prefer to live near the sea coast or within 800 kilometers from the sea coast. So I said you in the previous lectures also that the sea coast are always highly populated. The people, they prefer to stay near the sea coast or 800 kilometers within, that is the range up to 800 kilometers from the sea surface. High concentration of population is found in the northern hemisphere as compared to the southern hemisphere. So the north hemisphere of the earth is highly concentrated, whereas as compared to the southern hemisphere of the world or the earth.